All right, welcome back to this video. In this video, we're going to be talking about probably an if statement. Now, what is an if statement? An if statement is a statement that allows you to um, or allows your program to check out a condition, and if that condition is true, then um, a message is an instruction is passed. Now, an example is a program that is in front of you, and this program calculates the average test scores. So what happened? I declared an integer data type called score1. We have our score1, score2, and score3. All of them have integer data type, and then we have average as average variable as a double data type. Now, what we did, we get the three test score. We want to tell the user to enter what three test calls that he or she scored during probably on their performance, whatever it is, and then we store it on score1, and then you enter another one, we store it in score2, and another one we store it in score3, and then we calculate and display the average score. So the average variable is equal to these all add up, score1 up until score3 added divided by 3, and then here we display what say your average is average. Now your average, if you enter, if the average is 10, we'll display the your average is 10. But now what happened if the average is 100? We're told that if the average equals 100, we want to congratulate the user for a good performance. So here, this is where the if statement comes in. Now, if this is a keyword for C++, if average, so we have if and then the bracket, and then our condition inside those brackets, our condition inside the bracket, and then if average is equal to 100, then we congratulate the user. See out, congratulations, that is a perfect score. Now an if statement, so let me just run that and see how it goes. Hopefully there's no error. And yeah, so I'll just enter 100 as my first score, 250 as my second score, and 55 in mathematics. I really hate maths. Okay, so yeah, your average is 135. Now the average is more than what? 100. Did you see? So it didn't display that message. But had it been that we say, had it been 100, let's say 100 or more, so if average is equal to or greater than 100, let's say that is a perfect score. Congratulations, sorry about that. Equal, greater than or equal to 100, then we should say congratulations. So I'll just enter, what did I enter before? 100 and 250 and 55 in maths. Wow, your average is 135. Congratulations, that is a perfect score. So this instruction can only execute if the condition that is in between this bracket is true. If it is not, it will what? It will pass, it won't display, show anything. But then if it's equal to like before, because it's more, we didn't tell it to say if it is more, display something here. But before, because we told it to be equal to 100, 135 is not equal to 100, it's more than 100. Hence, it passed this instruction and then comes here and doesn't show anything. So for instruction that you place inside an if statement, or this is called the body of an if statement, the instruction for it to be true or for it to execute, the condition that you place in the header must be what? test must be true and will be tested before what this instruction is executed. So I think that marks the end of our video. You can also use that as a password. So you can say if password is equal to 123, just display access denied. If it is not equal to lucky, but if it is equal to lucky, just say congratulations, you have logged in successfully. So that is how the use of if statement is unlimited. You can use it as many as you continue or as you progress with your project or as you progress with designing and learning programming. You'll find yourself making use of if statement, if and else statement, and many more.